Welcome to a world where fingertips become canvases of creativity. Get ready to be inspired as we unveil mesmerizing nail design ideas that elevate your style and leave a lasting impression. We present to you unique nail design ideas that you will surely love. Dive into a sea of style with blue summer swirly nail art. Embrace the cool hues and playful swirls that capture the essence of the season. Adding a touch of whimsical elegance to your fingertips. Set the trend ablaze with hot pink nails dripping nail art. Watch as vibrant hues cascade and melt, creating a mesmerizing and bold statement. The sizzling beauty that commands attention and radiates confidence. The celestial beauty with shining star airbrush nail art. Allow twinkling stars and cosmic designs to adorn your nails, creating a heavenly spectacle that captures the essence of elegance and allure. Immerse your nails in a colorful kaleidoscope with gradient rainbow nail art. Experience the seamless blending of vibrant hues as your fingertips become a canvas of joy and exuberance, radiating the beauty of a mesmerizing rainbow. Welcome the sunshine with pastel yellow summer nail art. Embrace the soft and breezy hues that evoke warm beach days and lemonade sips. Let your nails radiate the carefree spirit of summer with a touch of sweet sophistication. Embrace the freshness of summer with vibrant green tips that make a statement. Watch as your nails come alive with energetic pops of color, capturing the essence of nature's vitality and infusing your fingertips with a captivating charm. Elevate your style with intricate gold nail art, where luxury meets artistic finesse. Delicate filigree, dazzling accents, and shimmering details combine to create a regal masterpiece on your fingertips, exuding opulence and sophistication. Unleash your creativity with abstract white nail art, where simplicity meets intrigue. Explore the beauty of minimalism and the freedom of expression as ethereal strokes and geometric shapes grace your nails, creating a captivating and modern masterpiece. Transport your nails to a realm of timeless beauty with Winchester Cathedral-inspired nail art. Adorn your fingertips with intricate patterns and ornate details reminiscent of the cathedral's majestic tiles, exuding elegance and historical charm. Dive into the refreshing depths of summer with light blue nail art. Let your nails embody the tranquil hues of a serene ocean, capturing the essence of relaxation and cool breezes under the sun-kissed sky. Unleash your inner artist with drag marble design nail art. Embrace the mesmerizing swirls and intricate patterns created through this technique. Resulting in a unique and captivating masterpiece on your nails that's truly one of a kind. What was your favorite style? Leave us a comment below. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.